Hey guys, it's me, just the meme, and I'm back playing Wind Up Night. Princess Pirate Tip. Yeah, we've already heard that one. Oh, I forget the layout of this level. Oh, yay, 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 yay. Yay, yay. Yeah, yo, yeah, ha, ha, ha. Dang it. I just got you under the collar. I'm sorry if I'm not talking much, I'm just trying to concentrate really hard. Ooh. Yes. Ah. You have no idea how long I've been trying to get that. The yellow jacket shield? Did I just get the yellow jacket shield? What is the yellow jacket shield? Oh. I'm guessing it's just supposed to look cooler. There's plain old vanilla. And there's the yellow jacket. Yellow jacket's just supposed to look cool, I guess, then. Please don't tell me I have to pay money for book number 2. It looks like I may have to pay money for part 2. Nightmare locked. At least I can do that. It looks like there's so much more to do, but I want to... Book number 2. This will be book number 2. Book number 2 is locked. Ooh, I can unlock it for notes. Okay. So I don't have to pay real money. I'm just gonna try and find the hidden card in each of the things now. Princess cannot be reflected if she distresses as if she respects herself. Oh, dresses. No one should respect themselves. Alright. There's a hidden card in here, and we is looking for it. If I don't find it in this video, shout it down to me in the comments. And by shout, I mean shout. Yell it at the top of your lungs and say, "Use the meme!" There it is. I found the card, and now I'm going backwards. But hey, I forgot about the wind timer, but at least we know where it is. At least we know where it is. At least we know where it is. Why else would they have that little ditch there? The guy's like, huh? What's this here? And I'm a dino. Yeah, I'm dead. Wind down. I don't want to wind down. It's not time for my bedtime yet. I'm not gonna read any of the new, no, I'm not gonna read the Princess Handbook or Wind Up Handbook because it seems to just be repeating old ones. So if you want to yell at me and say, "What is the meme? There was a new one, you just didn't catch it because you're an idiot," then go ahead. Say it to my face, mate. Say it to my face. I also want to try and get an A on this level, so that I can unlock Nightmare Mode in both ways. By getting that A grade, and by finding all the cards. Get ready for a wild ride, boys. What grade did I get? Total wallet, and I got an A, and I found the card. Alright. Alright, time to find the card here. And try to get an A. A and card, A and card, A and card. Now I feel like there was something over there. Like, as in, that's where the card was. So, I'm gonna try my best to get over there now. So, at times, first impressions are important, even for a princess. I read that one because that didn't seem so familiar. I love how they're just chickens who are like, "Ball. And I want you dead." I feel like you can go down those steps. And why do I feel like I can just walk down those steps? Like, that's the key to getting to the place. I wonder if, like, in Cuphead I can get, like, a pacifist achievement for jumping over all of these. Probably not. But hey, if I ever run out of material, that's what I'm gonna be doing. And if I don't, yell at me saying, "Hey, you said you were gonna do this if you run out of material." Gosh dang it. I feel like I can make that jump, I'm just too stupid to. Yeah, it's gotta be over there, because I did not see it anywhere else. It's gotta be where it is. So I don't have the card, but did I at least get an A? I got an A at least, but I want the card. I'm Mr. Completionist. Ooh, this one's different. Eat lots of vegetables, particularly cucumber, to help maintain skin tone and scent. I feel like these are actual real-life tips. Like the Pretty Princess primer things are actual real-life tips, and then there's the handbook one saying, "Hey, you wanna get better at this game because you suck? Well, just simply spend money." Ha ha ha. Gosh dang it, I feel like I can make that jump. I really do. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I was checking things, you know, like an idiot. Yes, I made the jump, I made the jump, I made the jump. And there's the card! Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. I got the card! I got the card! Oh, jeez, don't die, 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 don't die. Imagine if I died to that last chicken. I'd probably scream. Did I get the card and the A? Hey! Why do I feel so good for getting an A? It's 2000. Okay. You got to find the card in this one. I wonder where it could be. Could it be in that field of spikes? They probably wouldn't put it there. That would just be cruel. But hey, game designers do what they want. I'm sure you know that from Super Mario Maker. I'm making fun of their community. I'm looking oh so closely. Because I know it's gotta be here somewhere. Somewhere. Ah! It's up there! It's up there! It's up there! It's up there! Well, at least I know where it is now. Did I at least get that A? A? A! For amazing! Seriously, how do I get up there? Hwah! Sorry, I know that, like, friends like Chris don't like it when I play through things I've already gone through just to complete it, but I'm sorry. I'm that 100% guy. Unless it's something like Cuphead. And I'll just be happy to beat it. It's coming up. It's coming up real soon. And you gotta be ready. You gotta be ready, cause it's right here, jump! How the heck do you get over there? No, I'm gonna retry. How do I get over there? I think that getting every card will, like, unlock, I don't know, a Nightmare Castle. And getting an A on every level will unlock its Nightmare Mode. I'm just really focused. I want to get over there. I want the card. The card shall be mine. I will not leave the stage until I either get the card or assume that you would need an upgrade to get it. Ah, yes. Yes, I get the card. I get the card. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Yeah! Woo! I get the card. I got the card. I got the card. I got the card. I got the card. Woo! Woo! I got the card. Da, da, da. Whew. Where's the card in this one? I wonder, could it be over an impossible to jump gap? What if this is anything like Muffin Night? Like the next one will have sheep for enemies. Or pooping unicorns. Seriously, who can forget that? No one. That's right. Well, That's a new death. Ooh, this is new. Proper etiquette is a valuable skill for a princess to master. It is a very good skill. Yeah. Yay. 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 I just want a giant sword. Like one that's big enough that, you know, no matter how far away I am, it will hit the enemy. Like Chicken's Bane. You'll get rid of those pesky chickens. It's in there. Also, I think I may have learned how to wall jump. Wah. Whee! Alright. I at least want to get an A here. A for amazing! Hey! Ready to run faster? No! No, I am very much not ready to run faster. I had the feeling that it's not going to be like with the armor thing, it's like, oh, this is going to be useful for all the time. I'm like, for this level, this set is the most useful for me. But there are some that's like, oh, this is just a major upgrade, like the tortoise armor sometimes. Actually, the hair armor might help me with some of the... with, like, that last impossible jump I made, the last one. And by impossible, I don't mean it's not possible, I mean... frig. It's down there. How do I do that? It's sitting right next to the... right next to a pair of spikes. I'm gonna have to practice timing with those spike walls, or else I'm not gonna be able to get over there. Ow. That hurt. Ooh, that's a new one. Or at least I think it is. Popular princesses bathe daily and apply deodorant. No duh. I did it, I got the card, and I don't want to die. Please, oh please, oh please. Please, 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 please. Yeah! Woo! Hey, I did it. Wow! I did it. I did it. Storm brewing. I love that theme so much. And if you do not like that theme, you do not belong here. Just kidding. I like all my fans, no matter what their preference of song is. Ow! Just got pecked to death by a chicken. I never thought that the day would come where I say, gosh dang it, I got pecked to death by the chicken again. I never thought the day would come in my life where I would say that, but... well, the day has come where I have said, gosh dang it, I got pecked to death by the chicken again. And boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm hitting the button. Jeez, how fast do I have to hit it? Also, where's the card? Aren't I looking for the card? Where was the card? I don't know about you, I did not see a card there. I gotta be. Seriously, where the heck was the card there? I think that's the first time I genuinely couldn't find the card. I feel like it's up there, but I does not see a way to get up there. I feel like I should... Oh! There's a... Nah-ha-ha! Yo-ho-ho! Hi-ho! 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 I found where the card was. I'm smart. I'm really, really smart. I'm smart. It's not in there. It's in here. Whoop. Whoopity. Whoopity. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry, there's someone at the door. I've been really concentrating. Please tell me that I get an A this round. I wanna get an A. I will go around collecting all the coins until I get an A. Yeah, alright. Hold on. Whoa! What does S mean? I'm getting 32 in my wallet. Did I just get the best thing I could? Hold on. Oh, so you can get all the coins and instead of an A, you can get an S. Why didn't I get an S on level 3? There's a lot of completionisting to do. Because not only do I want to get an A, I now want to try and get an S. Oh, this is a predicament. Right. Just really wee. Oh, I love doing this. Wee. Wee. Oh, I love that so much. Oh, I saw it, so I'm gonna bounce back and die just to get it. Nah. Ah. Where do I have a feeling I can go up that ladder then? There, wind down. Wind down. I'll probably get all S's in a later video. Right now I'm just trying to get all A's. All A's, all A's, all A's. See, I think the card was right. That's right there. How do you get that? 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 I'm half tempted to look it up on the wiki. As you know, that's what I do. This guy must be super athletic. To be able to go from a roll into a swan dive. Truly, an athletic champion. Okay, I want to go back, please. No! The card was there, but there was no way I could get it. And I gotta be again. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Yippee, yippee. Wind down. Let's see if I can at least get an A by getting as many coins as possible. While I let that thought brew in my mind of, okay, how the heck do I get there? Please, wind thingy, wind thingy. Ah! Gosh, dang it. Why does that have to be so difficult? Oh. So I can just... Wine thingy, yeah! I swan dived into the wine thingy. Swan dove. I'm gonna just try and grab as many coins as possible. Just to try and get that A. Duck rolling probably isn't helping me jump any higher. Ah. So I really do not know how to get that card. I really do not. I am dumbfounded. Please at least let me get an A. Yeah! Now how do I get that A? Seriously? How? How in the love of all that is holy? Do I get it? Well, it's just like, that was the hit button. Up, 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 para, yapare, 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 yapare. Seriously, does anyone know how to get that card? Oh my gosh! There are spikes on the side, not in the front. Oh my goodness. I feel like an idiot now. Yeah, I need to get the card and everything. Oh, I learned how to get an S. I'm gonna fully complete this until I... Ooh. Always hold the door for women chosen. Justice... No! That's a political statement about our society. Hold the door for everyone, you jerk! It's like, hold the door for women and children. Don't do anything for me. Who's about the better food? Hold it for everyone, you jerk. Complete nightmare level 2 unlocks it when you leave the What I was gonna say, hold the door for people, be nice. But no. And no big debates about this in the comment section. My YouTube channel is pure. Here's a newborn baby. I think that's making a statement about my personality. Why? Where? There's the card, there's the card, there's the card, is it here? Oh, I have to roll. I have to roll like Sonic do. Whee! Windy thing. Ah! A respected princess is friendly and helpful to everyone. Who knows about that statement back there? I think, you know, Fat Guy Bill went into the office and went, be friendly to everyone. Forget that. Schnuck. And he typed that in without the other people noticing. They released it and they were like, oh crap. Bill! Bill needs... Why are you interrupting me? I'm playing Yu-Gi-Oh! And they're like, Bill, someone had this in. Do you know about this? And he's like, no. I'm just collecting my blue eyes white dragons. Pinning them against each other. Oh, that's a story to be animated. Hey, I got an S! S for super. Yeah. Whee! There's a thing down here. There's a thing. I think it might be the card. Or maybe the card is right there. Nope, the card is right there. Ay, mama. It would be a crime to have like coins up there, because then I couldn't get the yes. I can't do this. This game move. I'm just bad at video games. I'm stupid. Don't believe anything that I say, except for the statement that I'm stating. Whee! Bill! Bill! Did you see what just happened, Bill? What? All the enemies just turned into chickens, Bill. Bill, do you know what's going on? Meow. Snark, snark, snark. Bill! Bill! Bill, they're not chickens anymore. Are they back to the normal enemies? No. They're blue eyes wet chickens. Oh, there's so much wrong with me. I have nothing against the people that play Yu-Gi-Oh! I have nothing against it. I have nothing against any bootleg Pokemon game. I do not have anything against Digimon. I don't have anything about Pikachu Adventure 7. Oh, boy, 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 boy. I'm a ninja. Shink. I can't sword slash while ducking. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm a big idiot. Go on, yell it to me in the comment section. I'm an idiot. Beep, 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 beep. Boo. Hey. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. Hey, boo, hey, boo, hey, boo. I think my channel is gonna grow a lot, while doing these gameplay videos. Cause I'm a big gaming person. And now that I get to record every game that I play, this way my channel's gonna burst out with about 1,000 videos, and we're gonna go, wow, where'd all this come from? And I'm gonna go DU screen recorder. Please tell me I got an S. I got all the coins in the card. Did I get an S? I got an S. I got an S. I got an S. Everything looks complete. Did I get an S? Did I get it? Yeah! I got it. I got all the Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Ooh. Fame and respect for those in positions of authority, even if they are simply subjects. Well, I don't know what fame is, so I cannot say anything about that. I do not. Were you expecting me to say something smart? Come on, guys, it's me. Why would you expect me to say something smart? Oh boy. And it's like, just to make sure that people don't think I'm against a whole bunch of things, most of my jokes are against myself. Why do you think that autism thing is in the... I found the card. Why do you think that autism thing is in the intro of most of my videos? Why do you think my first video ever on YouTube was just that? Because I have autism, and instead of going, autism, I go, I'm a crazy, messed up boy. Put me in jail. I was holding the shield button. Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. I don't know what that means.
Abba dabba dabba. Abba dabby. Abba dabby. I don't know why. It just sounded funny to me. Abba dabby. Abba dabby. Abba dabby. I don't know why. That strikes me as sounding like a real word. It probably isn't. But how do I get that? It must be like a wall jumping thing. Because otherwise I have no idea how to get that card. Well, folks, it's time to learn how to wall jump, sissies. I love that theme. Hey, I'm okay with A. How the heck do I wall jump? Well, bitty bell, bitty bee, bee, bee. Bee, 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 I've hit like down and jump? No, that swan dives right into the barrel. Who is this? Cleanliness is godliness. Clear up any clutter or dust before accepting formal visitors. Now that is a good statement. This game's so smart. Except for that one thing Bill slipped in. Bill! 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 You just found a new, tip in our programming. What is it? It says Yu-Gi-Oh! Is not a bootleg of Pokemon, Beyblade, or Digimon. It's not! Oh, I want someone to animate... I want someone to draw what Bill looks like. And I want the people at the company are. I just want someone to draw that. Bill! Bill! What is it now? Mike Wazowski! Mike Wazowski! What is this? Well, Bill, yes. Bill. There's a problem with these papers. This is to be used for this whole problem. What? Yeah, picture. What, mate? They're all blue eyes, white jackets on the papers. Why do these keep appearing? It's my brother, Jill. Bill, that is a girl's name. No, it's not. He's gay. I'm sorry for that. I really am. I have nothing against anything. I'm just alone in my bedroom, playing a game while a recorder is playing, and I have nothing against anyone, okay? I was just trying to make an excuse for Bill. Noise. Sorry, let me try that again. Anyways, it's my brother Krill. Krill. Yeah, Krill. Krill? He lives in the sea. Bill, I think you're mistaking him for Aquaman. Oh, he's my brother.
I need to figure out how to wall jump. Because if I don't know how to wall jump, I won't be able to get that card. Fairhands, I need to know how to wall jump. And I know that, like, there's gonna be those people out there who's gonna be like, oh, you're so stupid. You just have to press up, up, shield, shield, A, right, B, start. And I'm gonna be like, oh yeah. That's nice to know. It's nice to know that someone knows that, especially on the video where I figured it out. Yeah, you're I can't do it. I can't. Oh, this is rage inducing. This is actually very, very rage inducing. Mostly because I can't figure out how to watch it. I'm pressing every button on Earth. Oh my god. I was actually surviving for a little bit there. I might stop playing just for the sake of I can't figure out how to wall jump. I don't know why, I just can't do it. Oh, I'm actually getting very angry. I might need to stop because I can't figure out how to wall jump. Seriously, how do you do that? It should not be that complicated. You know what? See you guys in the next video. I'm getting too angry. Bye.